This bear is only a few months old and seems to have lost its mother, either to poachers or in a car accident. The baby bear meets a mother with 3 cubs, a potential danger for him because orphan bears are very rarely adopted by other mothers. Their instinct classifies the foreign bear as a food competitor. Their own offspring have priority. But the mother has already scented the orphan bear. The little bear instinctively senses danger and quickly takes flight. Alone, he has only a small chance at survival.